Game number 31 in the IPL featuring Sunrisers Hyderabad and Mumbai Indians. Now, these two teams met earlier in the tournament. That game was won by Mumbai by 13 runs, and the stars really in that particular encounter were Quinton de Kock, Rohit Sharma, Kieron Pollard with the bat, and with the ball it was Jasprit Bumrah and Rahul Chahar. How does that impact the players that you picked for this upcoming game when it comes to your fantasy teams? That's exactly what we're going to be talking about. You're watching Coin DCX Go presents ESPN Cricket Info Fantasy Pick. Joining me on the program, Ian Bishop and Shresh Shah. Before that, I'll quickly give you our ESPN Cricket Info Safe Bet 11. We've gone with Quinton de Kock as our captain. Now, he scored 69 not out, 67, 25 and 40 in his last 4 outings against Hyderabad. So he has a very good record against this particular team. Johnny Bairstow, Rohit Sharma, the 2 other top order batsmen that we've got. Rohit Sharma, remember, averages 35 and has a strike rate of 142 in the 18 innings that he's played in Delhi. Manish Pandey, Kane Williamson also make our 11. Williamson, he's got 213 runs at a strike rate of 133 in 6 matches, again played at this particular venue in Delhi. Kedar Jadhav, Krunal Pandya, Kieron Pollard, Rashid Khan. I'm just running you through our team. Rahul Chahar and Trent Boult, the remaining members of this 11. Rahul Chahar picked up 3 for 19 in 4 overs against Hyderabad earlier in the season. And then Trent Boult, who's also our vice captain of our Safe Bet 11. He's gone wicketless, I beg your pardon, only once in 12 games in Delhi. So he loves playing at this particular venue and has picked up 17 wickets as well. Okay, Bish, let me start with you. Okay, no Jasprit Bumrah. I understand that form has been taken into account while making the Safe Bet 11. But as I mentioned, the last time around these two teams met, he had great figures, 4 overs, gave away just 14 runs, picked up a wicket. Would you then bet on him in your Safe Bet 11?
Oh, you read my mind. You read my mind, Nikhil. I had Jasprit Bumrah in there. It's a sign of the times that we have Kedar Jadhav and Krunal Pandya in there. I would leave Kedar Jadhav out for this game because I just feel Jasprit Bumrah will have a significant impact on the surface on which we're playing. So I'd have him in my safe 11. But I have one more thought when we have the high-risk 11. I'll leave it until then.
Okay, we'll wait for that. Let's quickly get across to Shresh to pick him the high-risk 11. And the first thing that I noticed, Shresh, when I look at your swaps, it seems like a safe bet 11. You've gone very safe this time.
For a change, and I have a funny feeling that Ian must be talking about Pollard being out. But I've made 3 changes, yes. I've removed Kedar Jadhav, Kieron Pollard and Rahul Chahar. And I've gotten Hardik Pandya, Mohammad Nabi and Khalil Ahmed. The reason for these picks are, Khalil's a wicket-taking option, which is always useful at the death or at the middle overs. Nabi, he's offering you 2 skills and he might bowl a bit more as well. Mumbai have a few left-handers in the middle order, top order. So Nabi is a useful pick as well. And Hardik Pandya is due for a big score. And that's why I've gone for Hardik Pandya over Kieron Pollard. And I know some people will be wondering why Pollard, after his tremendous innings the other day, it's because of Rashid Khan at the other end, in the other team. In T20 cricket, in franchise cricket, what Pollard does is he tries to see off Rashid Khan. Sometimes he's successful, sometimes he's not. But the thing is, Kane Williamson, I don't think will make the mistake of bowling Rashid Khan out so early like he did in the previous day. So I think he'll hold back Rashid Khan for someone like Pollard, and I have a funny feeling that Rashid Khan might win that battle. And that's why I've made those changes. Rohit Sharma's my captain and Rashid's my vice captain.
Interesting you talk about that matchup between Rashid Khan and Pollard. In fact, last time around, Pollard did get a few runs against this team. Yeah, Ian, you had a thought on the high-risk 11 that Shresh just picked.
Now, one name that's not on the list, I'm not sure if I'm allowed, but I'd have Jason Holder in there instead of Mohammad Nabi. I understand that whole concept of Quinton de Kock and Krunal Pandya against the Nabi off spin. But from what we saw in the last game where Buttler and Sampson kept Nabi out of it until the very last moment, I'm not sure. I'm prepared to take a higher risk. To me, Jason Holder should play and be impactful.
But tell you what, I read your mind earlier in the program. This time around, you read my mind because that was going to be my next question, but you already answered. So we leave it at that. Shresh Shah, Ian Bishop, thanks so much for joining us. You're watching Coin DCX Co presents ESPN Cricinfo Fantasy Pick.